When you think about working out, what comes to mind? A crowded gym with high membership fees, long waits for equipment, or the inconvenience of rushing to and from a facility? What if you could bypass all of that and get a great workout in the comfort of your own home? Building a home gym is one of the best ways to maintain a consistent fitness routine without the added expense and inconvenience of a traditional gym. With a little bit of creativity, planning, and smart purchasing, you can create an effective, motivating, and versatile fitness space that suits your needs. The beauty of building your own gym is the flexibility it offers. You can tailor your workout environment to fit your personal preferences, create a schedule that works for you, and invest only in the equipment that serves you best. On top of that, you'll save a considerable amount of money that would otherwise be spent on memberships, travel, and the often unnecessary upselling of gym products or classes. In fact, a home gym can actually be more affordable than you might think, especially if you start small and build your equipment collection over time. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Section 1. Why a home gym? In today's busy world, finding time to work out can be a challenge. Whether it's juggling work, family obligations, or other commitments, heading to a gym might not always be a feasible option. Here's where a home gym comes in. Let's look at some of the key reasons why a home gym is worth considering. Convenience. One of the biggest benefits of having a home gym is the convenience it offers. No need to commute to a fitness center or wait for your turn on the machines. Your workout space is right there, ready when you are. Whether it's early in the morning, late at night, or during lunch breaks, you can work out whenever it fits into your schedule. There are no excuses or time constraints to prevent you from exercising. Cost savings. Gym memberships can add up quickly, with some offering annual fees, extra charges for classes, or even additional fees for things like towels or lockers. If you're paying for a membership but aren't using it regularly, you're simply wasting money. A home gym, however, requires a one-time investment in equipment, and from then on, it's free. You can buy the essential gear at affordable prices and even add new items over time as your fitness routine progresses. The cost savings can be substantial in the long run. Flexibility in workouts. Having a home gym allows you to work out at your own pace, choosing the exercises that work best for your fitness goals. Whether you want to do yoga, strength training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or even dance workouts, you have complete control over your routine. You're not limited by the equipment available at a gym, which means you can focus on what matters most to you and adjust your workout as your fitness level evolves. Section 2. Essentials for any budget. Building a home gym doesn't have to break the bank. There are options for every budget, from low-cost essentials to mid-range investments. It's about finding what works best for your fitness goals and the space available in your home. Low-cost option. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are one of the most versatile and affordable tools you can add to your home gym. They come in different resistance levels, allowing you to work out all major muscle groups, from legs to arms to core. Whether you're doing strength training, flexibility exercises, or even rehab exercises, resistance bands can offer an incredible range of options for a low price. They are lightweight and portable, making them perfect for home workouts or travel. Yoga mat. A good quality yoga mat is essential for any home workout space, especially if you're doing floor exercises like stretching, yoga, or pilates. A yoga mat provides cushioning for your joints, support for your posture, and a non-slip surface to help you maintain your form. Prices range from budget-friendly options to premium mats, but even a basic mat will significantly enhance your workout experience. Jump ropes are an excellent, inexpensive piece of cardio equipment. Not only do they help with cardiovascular fitness, but they also improve coordination, balance, and agility. Jump ropes take up very little space and can provide a full-body workout in just a few minutes. Best of all, they're extremely affordable and easy to store. Bodyweight exercises. If you're really on a tight budget, don't underestimate the power of bodyweight exercises. Push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and burpees require no equipment whatsoever and can still provide an intense full-body workout. Bodyweight exercises are excellent for building strength, endurance, and mobility. They can be combined with other tools like resistance bands or a jump rope for a more varied routine. Mid-range investments. If you're ready to invest a bit more in your home gym, consider these essential pieces of equipment that will add a lot of value to your workouts. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are a classic strength training tool that can be used for a variety of exercises. You can get started with a small set, and over time, as your strength improves, you can increase the weight. Dumbbells help you build muscle and improve endurance and can be used for everything from shoulder presses to lunges to bicep curls. Adjustable dumbbells are also an option if you're limited on space but want a range of weights. Kettlebells. Kettlebells are incredibly versatile and can be used for a range of exercises from strength training to cardio. Unlike dumbbells, kettlebells have a unique design that allows for dynamic, swinging movements that engage multiple muscle groups. Kettlebell exercises can improve both strength and cardiovascular fitness, making them a great investment if you're looking for a well-rounded fitness tool. Adjustable weight bench. An adjustable bench is ideal for strength training exercises like bench presses, step-ups, and rows. You can use it for both upper and lower body exercises, and many models come with adjustable angles to target different muscles. This is a slightly larger investment, but adds a lot of versatility to your home gym setup. Foam roller. A foam roller is an excellent addition to any home gym for post-workout recovery. Foam rolling helps release muscle tension, improve flexibility, and reduce soreness. It's a simple tool, but one that can make a big difference in how you feel after a workout. Creative DIY solution. If you're on a tight budget but still want a complete workout setup, don't forget that you can often use household items as makeshift gym equipment. Water bottles or canned goods. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use water bottles, canned goods, or even bags of rice as substitutes for light weights. They're easy to hold and work well for upper body exercises such as bicep curls or shoulder raises. Backpack. A backpack can be filled with books, sand, or other heavy objects to create a makeshift weight. You can wear it while doing squats, lunges, or step-ups for added resistance. This is a creative way to add weight to your body weight exercises without having to invest in pricey equipment. Stairs. If you have stairs in your home, use them for step-ups, calf raises, or even cardio drills like stair sprints. Stair workouts are a great way to improve your cardiovascular fitness and leg strength without buying any equipment. Section 3. Setting up your space. When building a home gym, the space you choose matters as much as the equipment. You don't need a large room or a dedicated fitness studio, just a small corner or even a multi-use space can work perfectly. Here are some tips to maximize your home gym setup. Maximize small spaces. If space is limited, get creative. You don't need a large area to work out. Clear an area where you can place a yoga mat and fit a few pieces of equipment. For larger items like a bench or weights, consider setting up your gym in a corner or even in a garage, basement, or spare room. Organize and store equipment. Keep your gym space tidy and clutter-free by investing in simple storage solutions. Use shelves, bins, or hooks to store resistance bands, dumbbells, or yoga mats. A well-organized space helps you find the equipment you need quickly and keeps your home gym functional and inviting. Conclusion. Building a home gym on a budget is not only possible, but also a smart way to prioritize your health and fitness. By starting with low-cost essentials and gradually adding equipment as your needs evolve, you can create a space that supports all of your fitness goals. Whether you're using resistance bands for a full-body workout or lifting dumbbells to build strength, your home gym offers the convenience, flexibility, and cost savings that traditional gyms simply can't match. Thanks for watching. You don't need to spend a fortune to get fit at home. Start building your own home gym today and get moving. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget-friendly fitness tips.